Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can record your voice on CapCut, and it is actually super simple. To do that, you're just going to go to audio here, or you can even select add audio there. Select voiceover and hold to record, and it will record your voice instantly. Once you're done, it's going to just look like this. You can edit the sound of your voice by selecting voice effects and adding in voice effects. There's basic, funny, synth, and retro. This is what it kind of sounds like with the megaphone one on. Hold to record and it will record. I hope you can hear that, but you can also adjust the strength if you'd like. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, there's a thanks button that you can click above the description box down below. That would mean a lot to this channel. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.